The coolest, the best moment ever. Is a steak?
Yeah.
And Papa have the same? No?
Veau. You have a scallop with the veau.
Okay, and Tyler have nuggets and I have burgers. This burger looks special. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say good morning, Tyler. Oh.
Good morning, guys.
Oh. Yeah, they heard you. Tell them where you going. Speak up, they can't hear you louder. He says he's going to the supermarket, and that's about right. We are on our way to the supermarket to do our weekly shopping, and it's a beautiful day out today. It's hot, it's beautiful. We have a few things on our agenda to get done today, so it's going to be a busy day. My father-in-law is coming today to spend a day and a half with us, which is awesome. I always love having him here. So babe gonna see his papa today, and Tyler is gonna see his grandpa today, which is Papi for him. So Tyler is pretty excited that Papi is coming. So you guys shall see Papi at some point during this vlog. So if you guys don't know my father-in-law, then stay tuned and continue watching, because you'll definitely be seeing him later in this vlog. But right now we're on our way to get some stuff done. You telling them later? No, don't tell them later just yet. Mama is still talking to the face. Okay, bye. So make sure you guys are having a good day. Comment down below and let us know what you guys are up to this weekend. But even though by the time you guys see this vlog, you guys would have already passed the weekend, so let us know what you guys did fun this weekend with you and your family or friends or whoever you have around you. Just keep the vibes positive, keep it motivated, keep smiling, keep blessed, stay awesome. Go to the beach, go to the pool, do something fun. Just get out of the house. Don't just stay in the house and be sad regardless of whatever it is that you're going through, because that's exactly what the mind and the devil wants you to do, is just stay locked up and don't venture out, and you know what I mean. So when you're sad, don't just stay in the house. Whatever it is that you're going through, just get out and be loud like I am, and be excited like I am, and just do something that let you snap out of that mood. Anyway, you guys, we love y'all, and we are about to take you on another day in our life. So stay tuned and enjoy today's vlog. And if it's your first time to our channel, please subscribe, girl, so that you can continue on this amazing journey called life with us. And give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and all that good stuff. We love you guys, and we catch you guys in a bit. Tell us, say later. Later. Baby's driving. He's showing his right hand hurt. He wanted to kiss it. The elbow. Fighting to kiss me to get my lipstick. Show the face, the red lip. Look. Come, let's wipe it off. It's red. Oh my god. Come, wipe it off. No, you're gonna get red. You want to get red? Mwah. Look, it's red. It's red. Yes. He's so funny. He loves when I wear lipstick because he wants to kiss me to get it on his lips. My baby is funny, y'all. Come, let me fix the pan. He's so funny.
Mama?
Yeah? When we get home, okay?
Okay. We have one.
When we get home.
We have one.
When we get home. Okay? Okay? Very good. You guys were here shopping. Wait. Don't do that. Tell the face what time is on your watch. What time is on your watch? Tell the face what time is it. When it's 1:00, it's 1 o'clock, okay? When it's 2:00, it's 2 o'clock. When it's 3:00, it's 3 o'clock. So right now it's 1:00, so it is 1 o'clock. The face is 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Yeah! You guys, we just finished supermarket shopping and baby's gone inside the pharmacy to get some tablets for me. And then we're gonna head out.
Mama.
Yes! Yeah, Mama! Look at you! Who is that? That Bella? Oh, who is that? He's so funny. Papi and Papa? Is it Papi? Is it Papi there? Go to Papi, go! Hey, catch him! Oui. Who is that? Yeah! Bonjour.
Ça va, mais ça?
Oui.
Content de voir son papy. Bonjour.
Of course, my father-in-law come bearing gifts. Pull it, open.
Ah, il demande permission.
That's babe twin. His dad. He look just like his dad. Open, open, tear it, tear it. Yeah, right. What? What is it? It's a puzzle?
Là, quand ils ont mis le truc en location ici, là.
Wow. Dis merci, papi. Bisous, big bisous à papi.
C'est Régine qui a pensé.
Dis merci à
Elle a dit,
Régine
tu ramènes
aussi.
pas, quand on était à
Open it.
6 ans, elle dit tu ramènes pas
He's
trop.
too. Tella is excited.
Il va
Je vais chercher tous les caractères pour les animations. C'est pas de patrouille.
Pas de patouille.
Oui. C'est tous les petits chiens.
Ça, c'est qui?
Ruben.
Robert?
No, Ruben.
Ruben? Ruben?
Yes.
Ruben?
Yes.
Et lui? Lui? C'est qui?
So you didn't give your father the bigger one.
Chess. Chet. Chess. Comment ça marche?
Three generations.
Non, ça c'est...
Awesome.
C'est pas du tout ensemble. Ça c'est la pâte à modeler et ça c'est un jeu de voiture ça. C'est le truc de l'aéroport ça.
It's been a super long day. My father-in-law has arrived. He's here, and we're just here chilling and chatting. We're actually going to head out to dinner in a bit. He's having a blast having his grandpa. He's always fun to have his grandpa with him. Look at him.
Okay. You got the bottle. You got the bottle.
J'ai le banjo.
No, bottle.
Fantôme.
Oh,
Un
it's
fantôme.
the Steve.
Steve.
He and his
Steve
grandpa act a fool all day. My father-in-law loves to play guitar. Look at this. Oh. Play, Tyler, play. Honey, you're missing the moment. Oh. The coolest, the best moment ever.
Yeah.
And Papa have the same? No?
Veau. You have escalope with the veau.
Okay, and Tyler have nuggets and I have burgers. This burger looks special. Interesting. Look at all these fries though. Alright, nom nom nom.